morning, guys. It's Thursday, April 23rd, 2020. So today in math, we're going to continue to work on our Polygons in Nature project. You're on day 3. You'll need to use Book Creator and PicCollage for that. In reading, we're going to be in this short article, The World's Oceans, and you'll have a question about that on your Google quiz. In writing, we're going to be working still on the Polygons in Nature. Remember, it goes hand in hand with our math. And in science, we'll be working on our animal habitat project. This is a paper pencil assignment that you received in class before the break. Upcoming assignments. Your Polygon in Nature adventure story will be due April 28th. That is next Tuesday. Watch the review video. It looks kind of like this. It should be in your attachments every single morning underneath the morning message in Google Classroom. Make sure that you've watched that and that you feel like you understand the concept. Everyone will need to meet with me on Meet on Friday at your scheduled time, so make sure you check the schedule so you know what time. Make sure you come in with your mic on, your camera on, and a paper and pencil. Okay, so today is your third day on this Polygon in Nature project, and as you write today, make sure that your character encounters at least 2 additional quadrilaterals. So they should have already met 2 of the shapes, and now they're going to be meeting 2 more. You can work or create any artwork that you need for your book using photos that you have taken, photos from online, or doing a combination. And like I said before, I found that photo editing using PicCollage was a great way to put together pictures and make them look interesting. On today's daily quiz, you'll need to record which 2 quadrilaterals you wrote about today. Here is just for you to think about as you're writing. So you should be kind of in the climactic part, the climax of your story. Remember, this is when you're going to have a problem. So today as you're writing, you should have some rising action, some things continuing to build up to your problem. And then we should kind of have an idea with what you write today about what the problem is that your character experiences while out on this journey. So right now would be a good time to pause this video and to go work on that project, to write a little bit that's going to cover those 2 different quadrilaterals, and make sure that your problem is covered. You're putting that into your Book Creator, and if you need to do some artwork with that using your PicCollage, right now would be the time. When you are finished with that, come back to this video. Okay, in reading today, you're going to be back in that short article called The World's Oceans, and today we're going to be using context clues. Remember, context clues means I read around the word, the sentence before the word that I'm unsure of, the sentence that the word is in, and the sentence after it to see if I can figure out the meaning of that word. The 3 words you're going to be having to find the meaning for today are underlined in the article. You're looking for the meaning for the word permafrost, tides, and tsunami. When you answer your questions about this on your Google quiz, I do not want a dictionary definition. I would like to hear what you think those words mean. You can use the article or your own wording to explain those words to me. So right now would be a good time to pause this video, go back into your article and read, take some notes about those particular words, open up your Google quiz that's in your Google Classroom, and answer the questions about those 3 words. Then come back to this video. Okay, in science today, you're going to continue finishing up your animal habitat project for science. It should look something like this. You had a whole packet of papers, so I want you to continue to work on this. I would like all of this paperwork done by Tuesday, April 28th. So just keep plugging along. You might want to look through how many pages you have left and start dividing it by days. Okay, so what will be coming up next? After we finished all that paperwork and designing and coming up with an idea for our dream habitat for the animal we selected during class, we will be building a 3-dimensional model of that. So right now would be a good time to just start thinking about what kind of items you have around home that you could use. Do you have any markers, colored pencils, crayons, any colored paper? I know we don't have a lot of that, but we have some of the colored pencils and crayons, so you might have those things as well. And maybe, a box, an old cereal box or mac and cheese box that you can build your model in. We will be presenting these projects on May 1st. Okay, and the app of the week again is Freckle. Still looking for someone to pass off a section. I have talked to a couple of your classmates who are getting really close. I'd like you to spend 15 to 30 minutes on Freckle each day this week. And remember, if you do pass off a section, send me a screenshot of that passed off section so that I can see that you've done that. All right, guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. I will see all of you tomorrow morning on Meet at your scheduled time.